So now I'm going to show you a very simple way to apply it to a vertical surface. And again, if you spray it, it'll work, but you know, again, you're going to get all that runoff, and then it's going to pool down on the ground, and that's probably not going to be great. Also, I want you to notice that there's a car right here that I'm right next to. So my recommendation is that you not have your car nearby. I'm going to be extra careful for this application, but if you get this product on a hard surface it's not intended for, such as car paint, it will dry clear, but you will see it just like you would see maybe if you painted on some clear fingernail polish. And so it will hurt the paint. You can get it off, and I have a product on my website that you can go to remove polymers from paint or any other siding that you don't want it on. But let's just avoid that. Prevention is the best medicine, so let's just avoid that to begin with. Okay, so I have a vertical surface, and you can do a couple of different things. If I was doing a larger surface like the house siding over here, I would probably want to use a big sponge mop. And I'm not going to do it right this minute, but I'm going to show you that I would have a bucket. I'm going to dip this in the bucket, and then I'm just going to take the product and I'm going to put it on with the sponge mop. And again, what I'm trying to do is a very smooth, good coverage, getting down in the cracks. That's why you have the sponge here, to get it into the surface. And again, it's not going to penetrate this surface like it's going to penetrate concrete or wood, but it will dry. You will get a film on this, and it will basically, the film will resist the mold, mildew, and algae growth. Okay, so what I'm going to do here in a smaller area is just use one of these big sponges. Okay, and so I'm just going to dip the product in there, have it absorb a little, kind of squeeze it out, and then very simply just put it down the surface. Now you see that with using a sponge, I'm getting a nice even coverage. Now you'll notice that I just got it on the concrete. No big deal, because we're going to spray this concrete as well. Okay, and just coming around. We've got a little metal fastening here. I'm going to get it down in those cracks. Okay. Just sponging. And now you can see why I have glasses on, safety glasses, just in case a little bit drips. I don't want to get it in my eyes. Okay. And again, down here where the fastening is, make sure you kind of squeeze it into the cracks. Okay. Don't be afraid to be liberal with the product. And again, this is going to work on wood that's painted, such as this. And it's going to work on the wood surface like it does behind me here. It's not painted, it's just raw lumber. Okay. And one more side. Nice even. Down into the cracks, nice and liberal with this so that it gets into all the little cracks and crevices, and the polymer dries and prevents any of those microorganisms from growing through. So again, let me mention this is a sealer, and it is sold as a sealer. It's just that the side benefit is that this sealer, like other sealers, but this one in particular, has been proven over and over again to resist the growth of microorganisms.